Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tread, it looks decent. It's on the lower side, 275, 65, 20s. There are the Nittos, Recon Grappler all-terrains. I don't see a date code on it. Overall, that wheel looks good. Looking at the fender, looks awesome, nice and clean. That looks good. Actually, there's one little dent right there, if you can see that. Side mirror, lens looks good, nice and clean. You do have film on the door edge protecting it and in the door cups. I imagine there's a couple little rock chips here. Got some water splashed on there, so it's kind of hard to see. Got a little chip there. The rest of that door looks good. Steps are clean. Looking at the bed, got a tiny little mark right there. The rest of that looks good. Tread looks the same here. Looking at the wheel, overall in great condition. Taillight looks nice. Nice and clean. Scanning through that bed in the tailgate area. So you do have some scratches right there on the plastic. A little mark there. Got your bed liner, typical wear inside there. Walking around this, so far it looks really good though. That looks nice. Wheels are in great condition. And at the edge, you got that film there. You do have a touch-up spot here. This is busted right there on the edge. It's kind of hidden almost. That looks good. Fender looks nice. Overall, the wheel looks good. Now here on the front end, that's really where you're going to see most of the impact. So if you look here, those are just typical rock chips along that. Looking at the paint itself though, we got a couple. It's pretty minor though, especially on trucks when they're up high like this. They don't really sustain all the rock impacts that lower section will. So like right here, you're gonna see that is kind of peppered with rock impacts on that little piece. Normal stuff. At the interior, it is a non-smoker. All these buttons look good. Got the memory seating. A lot of storage in here. A little bit of scuffs on that plastic. Got the really nice all-weather mats. And this interior is really cool. It's a very dark brown with like a really unique gray insert. But absolutely gorgeous interior. Steering wheel looks good. Dark brown color. A little shiny just from everyday use. Buttons look nice though. This is clean. You got your heads-up display. Digital rear view mirror right there. Sunroof. I mean, looking at that bolster, look how clean it is. Very little wear. Same here. You can tell they definitely took care of this truck. Here on the back left door panel, it looks incredible. Now you can tell they threw a lot of stuff here on the mats because it is kind of scuffed up. You got a little mark right there on the seat of some sort. The rest of that looks great though. Doesn't look like anybody really ever sat back here. And it also kept this in here. It's the grill cover for the winter time, and then it looks like the floor mats. Brand new, never opened. So that'll come with the truck. Heated seats. Looks really good back here. Here on the back right door panel, you do have a scratch on the speaker cover. Typical wear on that floor mat, but once again, the seats, they look perfect. Here on that door panel, once again, looks amazing. Little scuffs on the mat, but then checking out the seat, that looks awesome. Now you do have like a little sweat stain almost right here. You see that? It's very subtle. Other than that, the seat looks perfect. Beautiful wood grain. Look at the detail in there. Double glove box. Really no complaints on this side. Absolutely perfect. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 52,668 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here on the screens, that's all just in camera. That is not in person. Now, looking at the interior on this thing, it is really, really clean. The only main sign of wear is right here on the steering wheel. It's a little shiny, has a little bit of markings here, but everything else looks perfect. Bolsters on the seat, all the plastics look amazing. Really, really nice truck. Shifting nice and smooth. The alignment feels good. Really no complaints with drivability.